Thank God it's Friday and today we are making this simple and delicious pork light soup. It goes with everything, trust me. And you're certainly going to love the recipe. So please come with me and let's do this together. So in my saucepan I have nicely cleaned and cut pork. I'm going to add some natural herbs and spices and then go in with some salt. That's all the seasoning I'm going to use for this recipe. And then I'm adding some blended ginger, garlic and onions, which you cannot do without in almost every Ghanaian dish, okay? I'm going in with some water and then I'll also make space for some vegetables. Ideally, you can cook your vegetables separately, but I don't like to wash too many dishes or utensils rather, so I would rather do this, okay? So I'm going in with some pepper, onions, tomatoes and carrots. That's all I'm going to be using for this recipe. And then I'll cover and give it about 10 minutes. Once the vegetables soften up, I'll take them out and then blend and set aside. If you're new here, hello, my name is Yasmi and welcome to my kitchen taste and bloom. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. Trust me, you will not regret doing so. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. So next, I'm adding some tomato paste. As you can see, I'm not adding too much, okay? Just the bits that was left in the sachet is what I'm going to be using for this soup. And of course, the soup is not that much, so it's enough, okay? So once I give this a stir, I'm going to allow this to continue cooking till the liquid or water or broth or stock around it thickens up. Then you know that the spices have gone in properly. So this is some leftover ginger and garlic paste I just added because I didn't know what to use it for again, and I didn't want to store it because it was too small, okay? So once that is covered up, I gave it about 10 minutes, and then when I went back, as you can tell, the sauce around it has thickened up beautifully, indicating that our pot is ready to receive any other thing you want to add, okay? So now I'm going in with my blended vegetables I cooked in the same pot earlier, okay? I blended it so smoothly I did not sieve or strain it, okay? And then I'm going in with my desired amount of water. So this is light soup. As a Ghanaian, our light soup is quote unquote watery, so don't be panicky or whatever. Add the water to your own consistency or how you like your consistency, if I may say that. Once everything is good, I'll give this a stir and allow this to cook on low heat. Remember, the vegetables are already sort of cooked, so this will not take much time. So once it was ready, I enjoyed it with some fufu and it was amazing. I hope you are inspired to try this very simple but certainly delicious Ghana pork light soup. Adjust the spice or pepper to your taste and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.